Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been going crazy lately. And you know, I promised you guys that I would tell you when there's opportunities to make money online on this channel. And right now is a great opportunity, and we all need to get in on it. Bitcoin's wild price swings resume after the world's largest cryptocurrency climbed above 40,000 for the first time. Now, if you look at it, it just dropped a little bit, but I really think that's attributed to one of the largest traders, Coinbase, that you get Bitcoin on going down for a minute, because I just tried to check mine and it's down. But you know what? This is an opportunity for everybody on this channel, and I'm always going to tell you guys when it's an opportunity. Now, Bitcoin was all the way down as low as 4,000 at the beginning of the year. It is now almost up to 40,000 and past it. I cannot believe my eyes right now. Now, I jumped in around 27,000, and I wish I would have jumped in sooner. Now, this is what I suggest you do if you're watching this and you're still on the fence about Bitcoin and you don't know about it, and you're like, hey man, I don't know if I really want to get in this or not. I suggest to you that you do this now. Get into Bitcoin and don't worry about it, and don't look back. Bitcoin is going big places this year. I do expect it to hit crazy numbers this year because everything is going digital. It's a lot of things going digital, but of course you will have to do this at your own risk because I'm not an expert. This is purely my opinion. So anything you do like that is going to be a risky investment, just like you would in the stock market. But I truly believe in Bitcoin, and I think it's going places. Now, with that being said, I'm gonna switch right over to Ethereum. Now, if you guys know what Ethereum is, it's kind of like Bitcoin, but it's not exactly the same thing, but it's also digital money. Now, I'm invested in that, and it's jumped all the way from $400 at the beginning of the year all the way to over $1,200 today. Now, it's still going up and it's still skyrocketing. So I suggest you guys take a look at that and do a little research on that too. I was just going to give you guys these suggestions and tips because it's been helping me out lately. So let's look at the numbers for myself, because I just recently put a noticeable amount of money inside of mine in both accounts because I truly believe in these methods, and I think that you guys would appreciate it, and then take a look at it for yourself. All right, as you guys can see, we are inside of the Robinhood app. If you guys don't know what Robinhood is, it's a stock trader online that you can get as an app. If you guys want to go ahead and use Robinhood, go ahead and check the link down below. I'll leave a description for that. But this is my Ethereum here, and as you can see, we're going to go and look over, see if we can get over to the details of it. At the top, details. Okay, as you guys can see, I bought it around $1,000. No, the average cost of it was $1,000 when I bought it. My today return is a minus right now, but the value of it is 800 bucks. But as you can see, I put about 600 bucks in, so I'm up about $192 right now because I got in a little late. But Ethereum is an excellent chance to go up. This is inside of the Robinhood app. I recommend that you use this app if you want to buy cryptos. They now offer that as of this year. We're going to check out my other app, Coinbase. Now, Coinbase is strictly where you buy cryptos. Okay, now we loading up the Coinbase app here, and I'm going to show you guys how much in Ethereum we got in here in Bitcoin. Now, first I'm going to Ethereum. Now the price is up to 1307. As you can see, my Ethereum wallet is looking pretty good. Now I own two of them. I own two Ethereum. It's now up to $2,895. Now, mind you, I bought these Ethereum back when they were about $400, about $400 a piece way back on this platform, because on Robinhood I bought in late. So I'm making a nice profit here. I'm up to $2,895, and hopefully Ethereum keeps going. Now let's check out Bitcoin. Okay, now we pulling up Bitcoin. Bitcoin is down today about $2,000, all the way down to 38,000. But you know, Bitcoin has been going up. I'm going to expect it to keep going back up past 40,000 again. Now, in Bitcoin, I have about 512 bucks in this account, and I've been buying in other platforms too, but we'll use that in another video so you guys can check that out too. I just wanted to show you guys a little something here so you have a little motivation for yourself to make some money online. I would encourage everybody to try to make some money online, and if you strictly want to make money online, subscribe to this channel, and I'll always give you guys tips and things on my personal account so you can see how it goes. and see if that's something you want to jump into. I appreciate you guys watching, and we're going to do more videos like this. Just make sure you guys like and subscribe for me and leave comments down below so I can get some feedback so I can see what you guys want to see. I appreciate you watching, and this is Make Money Online Guy with Javo. Be safe.